Thank you for joining me for chores at Capella Ranch. I'm Charlie, and I bring a camera with me as I do chores taking care of the animals. And right now we're going to put people away. It's bedtime. So let's see if we've got all of our birds put away first. We'll come around the corner here. This is what we call Gen Pop. The Gen Pop, general population chickens, live here in the barn. And their coop is a corner of the barn I've built out. Right back here. So let's see, do we have everybody up here? We have Kevin the turkey up there in the corner. And we have a whole bunch of everybody in bed. Looks like everybody's squared away. Nobody is on the door. Perfect. Off to bed with you all. All right. Let me add this light right here onto my hat. That should make things a little bit easier to see as I'm wandering around doing the chores. I don't want to blind this camera. We'll leave this right here for a minute. Hi, Mr. Miles. I'm going to kick everybody out so I can clean up the barn just a little bit and put down the grain. Let's leave the camera with my friends here. Hi, everybody. You're chewing on my shirt. Yes, you are. Mr. Kristoff, out of the barn. Out of the barn, babe. Everybody out. Thank you. No, wait. We're getting out. Come on. Opal, out. Thank you. Kristoff, are you being mean again? Okay. So we're going to do a quick clean out of all the bowls. There's some epic amount of goat poop in this bowl. That probably takes concentrated effort from a couple of goats. A little bit there. A little bit there. That one looks good. How do yours look over here, family? Oh, let's check this one. That looks pretty good. Let's dump this out. How do your nibblers jumping? You've managed to do a pretty good number yourselves. Okay, let's close the door for you. Okay. Which guys like yummies first? I don't usually do first for you. There we go. And now you can watch them come into the barn from the other side. Here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom. That seems like that's probably everybody. All right, everybody, that should be pretty good. Let's get you over here. Get these two latched together. And good night. Boom. My barn friends sleep well. And ouch. Last stop of the night. Is out to Chicken Manor. And I'm going to go get the last doors closed up in here. I don't think there's going to be a chicken hiding over here, but it never hurts to check. No chicken. And there we go. That is it for the night. And that is it for chores for this day here at Capella Ranch. I appreciate you coming along and joining me here to get everybody put to bed. It was a pretty quick and easy one. I like it when they all cooperate. It's nice. Some days it doesn't work that way, so I will happily take everyone that does. Have a great night. Good night.